A very good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learned uses of plants. So today, we are going to learn chapter 4, Wild Animals. Have you seen the wild animals, children? Yeah. Where they live? They live in the forest. They are not friendly with us. Wild animals are not friendly with us. So, in wild animals also, they are big wild animals are there. So, tiger, giraffe, elephant, rhinoceros, zebra, lion, tiger are the big wild animals. There are small wild animals also, it's there. Small wild animals are a rat, a rabbit, a squirrel, a mongoose. Now we are going to learn the food of wild animals. Food of wild animals. What do wild animals eat? Wild animals eat the flesh of other animals. Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Wild animals like lion, tiger, wolf, and crocodiles hunt other animals and eat their flesh. Usually wild animals eat the flesh of other animals. So these animals are called flesh eaters or carnivores. The animals which eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Next, there are some animals which eat the plants. So wild animals like elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey and deer eat plants. Though they are wild animals, they'll eat the plants. So they are called plant eaters or herbivores. One who eat the plants are called plant eaters. They are herbivores. Next, animals feeding on the leftover flesh, which are left over. They eat the flesh of other animals, that is lion, tiger and all. Leftover fleshes will be there, no? That one also some animals are eating. Wild animals like hyena, jackals and vultures eat the leftover flesh of dead animals. Where the animals are died, so that one also they are eating. This way they help to keep the forest clean. These animals eat, jackals, vulture and all will eat and they'll keep the forest clean. Next, they eat both plants and flesh eating animals also. Some animals eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. A crow eats grains, but it also eats the flesh of other animals. So the crow is eating the grain, but also it eats the flesh of other animals. A bear also eats plants and flesh. A bear is a wild animal, so it is eating a plant and a flesh. So both plants and flesh eating animals are called omnivores. First thing, plant eaters are called herbivores. Flesh eating animals are called carnivores. Both plants and flesh eating animals are called omnivores. forest. Next, these animals makes their home also. They have the home. How you have like that. These birds and small animals and the wild animals also, they have the homes. Homes of wild animals. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes on land, water and tree. They have three: land, water and tree. They are given some examples. You can see the textbook. Birds build their own nest. Bird build their own nest. Rabbit makes burrow. So these both are making their own. Bird also making their own nest. Rabbit also make burrows. Some animals find a place to live. There are some animals it finding to find a place to live. That is, snakes lives in a hole. Snakes lives in a hole. Lion lives in a den. Next, other animals like zebra, giraffe, deer and elephant move around in the forest. They all will be roaming. They won't build their nest or hole or burrow. So they will be roaming. Other animals like zebra, giraffe, deer and elephant move around in the forest. They do not make their own home. They do not make their own home. They rest under the trees. You can see in the picture, children, deer resting under the tree. Many wild animals live in groups or herd. Honeybees live together in beehives. Elephants live in group. Deer live in herd. Save wild animals. They are very danger, though we have to save them. Wild animals are in danger all over the world. Forests are their homes, are being cut, but humans are cutting the forest and killing the animals. Animals are killed for their skins. Some animals they are killing for their skins, bones, horns and tusks. Tigers and leopards are hunted for their skin. Tiger and leopards are hunted for their skins. Rhinoceros are killed for their horns. Rhinoceros they are killing for their horns. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Humans are destroying forest and killing animals for their greed. So, we must stop cutting the forest and protect the wild animals. Read once this lesson, children. After reading, you open a science textbook, page number 22. There are the exercise A, B, C and D main. You have to write this one. Then next, in textbook, next turn the page and write page number 24 also. in the textbook. Evening you'll be having a live class, that is online class. I'll be coming. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You understood, children? You have to read the lesson once. After reading, you understand what are plant eaters called, what are flesh eaters called, what are plant and flesh eaters are called. You understand the lesson and do this homework. We'll see you in the evening, children. Bye. Thank you.